A is for airplane. Airplane flying high, amazing wings up in the sky. Airplane. B is for bicycle. Bicycle riding by, balance and pedals zooming by. B, bicycle. C is for car. Car that goes so fast, cruising roads as it zooms past. C, car. D is for dump truck. Dump truck strong and big, digging loads and lifting big. D, dump truck. E is for excavator. Excavator digs the ground, earth moves when it comes around. E, excavator. F is for forklift. Forklift lifting high, forks go up to reach the sky. F, forklift. G is for garbage truck. Garbage truck on the way, gathering trash every day. G, garbage truck. H is for helicopter. Helicopter in the sky, hovering high as it flies by. H, helicopter. I is for ice cream truck. Ice cream truck so sweet, ice cream songs and tasty treats. Ice cream truck. J is for jeep. Jeep so strong and free, jumping roads so happily. J, jeep. K is for cart. Cart that zooms ahead, kicking speed as it is led. K, cart. L is for loader. Loader lifting low, lifting dirt and moving slow. L, loader. M is for motorcycle. Motorcycle zoom zoom go, moving fast and riding low. M, motorcycle. N is for noodle truck. Noodle truck so nice, noodles hot with tasty spice. N, noodle truck. O is for omnibus. Omnibus, big and wide, open doors, come take a ride. Oh, omnibus. P is for police car. Police car light so bright, protecting us both day and night. P, police car. Q is for quad bike. Quad bike ready to ride, quick on roads and off the side. Q, quad bike. R is for rickshaw. Rickshaw rolling slow, riding streets as people go. R, rickshaw. S is for ships. Ship sailing the sea, sailing waves so happily. Ship. T is for train. Train goes choo-choo sound, traveling tracks all around. T, train. U is for UFO. UFO in the sky, up above it zooms so high. UFO. V is for van. Van that drives away, very useful every day. V, van. W is for wagon. Wagon rolling slow, wooden wheels that always go. W, wagon. X is for X-ray trucks. X-ray truck with a glow, X-ray lights that softly show. X-ray truck. Y is for yacht. Yacht on ocean blue, young waves dancing all for you. Y, yacht. Z is for Zamboni. Zamboni smooth and clean, zipping ice to make it